Welcome everyone, thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's get started with this 1962 Lotus 7, listed for $17,000 US in Allen Park, Michigan. It's been driven 3,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, low-cost Caterham Lotus 7 style car, Yamaha R1 fuel-injected engine, sequential transmission, fully street legal and plated. And up next we have this 1925 Ford T-Bucket. This one could almost make the Weird Wednesday vehicles video, listed for $25,000 Canadian in Montmagny, Quebec. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, now this is translated from French, 1925 Ford T-Bucket, fiber body, 283, several varieties of wood, mahogany, walnut, oak, fir, Douglas, can remove roof. Alright, here we have a 1973 Aztec GT2, listed for $10,000 US in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. It's been driven 470,001 miles. Okay, not sure about that, but that's what they've listed. Manual transmission, clean title. From the seller's description, 1973 1600, sounds good, runs good, needs windshield. Okay, here we have a 1966 Maxi Taxi, listed for $15,500 US in Vero Beach, Florida. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, the body is a 1966, so much fun, runs awesome, everything works. Okay, back to Canada for a moment. Here we have a 1976 Valkyrie GT40 listed for 29,900 Canadian in St. Caliste, Quebec. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly. From the seller's description, driven 26,000 kilometers, has an automatic transmission. And from the seller's description, again translated from French, Fiberfab Valkyrie, tubular frame, 3.8 GM V6 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Car runs very good. The interior needs to be redone. Okay, here we have a 1924 Ford Model T, listed for $14,000 US in Anderson, Indiana. From the seller's description, Model T kit car, 350 engine with 350 auto trans, $14,000 or best offer, no trades. Alright, here we have a 2009 Ford 1927 Track T Roadster, listed for $17,500 US in Folsom, California. It is an automatic transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1927 Track T Roadster, reconfigured as an EV, 15 kilowatt 96 volt AC electric motor, and a 10 kilowatt 102 volt LiFePO4 battery pack, top speed of about 60 miles per hour, has about a 45-mile range at around town speeds, licensed for the road in California. Alright, here's the one that's a little bit different, a 1986 Scorhill Magic, listed for $2,900 Canadian in Courtenay, BC. From the seller's description, Scorhill Magic with Ford 2.8 V6, 4-speed manual, 90,000 kilometers, project car. Alright, here we have a 1957 Porsche 356 wide body replica, listed for $33,500 US in Boise, Idaho. It's been driven 4,431 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster wide body replica, 1950cc cylinder bored and stroked out from a 1600cc engine. It puts out 90 horsepower and features Weber dual carburetors, runs great, it's a speedster so no top, has a canvas cover for the cockpit. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1978 Sebring, listed for $15,000 US in Boca Raton, Florida. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, fiberglass body on a 1968 VW Carmen Ghia 1600cc engine and chassis, taking offers. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.